Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. It's Friday, and we hope that everybody has a safe weekend. Heat here in Chicago, the heat index yesterday was 117. We expect that to break over the weekend, but both the 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day is drier and warmer for the Midwest down the road. Pro Farmer will come out with their corn yield and pod count later today. Minnesota numbers were lower than expected, while Iowa was near the 3-year average. Again, the corn yield may depend upon this weather and the ear weight and size. In the September report, the USDA uses a 5-year average. On the pods, we're going to need rain, which is not in the forecast, to help fill those pods that are higher than normal. Today's a big day for the financial markets, with the Fed chairman talking about the outlook for U.S. economy and interest rates. Some people think they may pause, but still remain hawkish because inflation is not down to the level where they want to be. We also be watching the European Central Bank with thoughts that they will continue to increase rates because their inflation is higher than the U.S. We also note that as far as outside the United States, weather remains dry in Argentina, it's drying in Australia, and we see less rain for India. Europe has some spots that continue to see too much rain, slowing harvest there, and the weather conditions in Ukraine and parts of Russia are also drier than normal. We noted yesterday that U.S. soybean futures are at a 4-week high. Board crush margins are at a 1-year high, and that in the corn, the SEPTI spread widened out to 16 cents, which is a new wide price. It's interesting that we had a sharp rally at Oats yesterday, and that might be because of concern about U.S. and Canada supply, and also that the December oats made new highs, and right now December oats is a 4-cent premium to corn. There is talk about trying to increase one of the Black Sea ports to allow more shipments of Ukraine grain. Wheat's export commitment is down 18% from last week, and as I mentioned earlier, U.S. dollar is at 11-week high. It's hard to define what the Russian export price in wheat is, because they seem to be hiding the actual prices that they sell wheat to normal customers versus what is quoted. We also note that for the wheat market, again, Australia, Argentina, Russia, Ukraine, all areas are drier than normal, which could lower the supply of wheat globally. Some people think that wheat has got a rally in it soon, that there may be a 40 to 60 cent rally in corn post-harvest, and soybeans right now at $13.80 are just 20 cents off what some people think is the higher end of the trading range.